Recently, my wife was hoping to clean up some space on her iPhone. At one time, there was a lot of storage being taken up by the photos and videos. So I use iCloud backup on the iPhone, and I was hoping that it had an option just like free up space here on my this is my Android phone, and on Google Photos, if you've backed up your photos, you can just click on the free up space, and it'll automatically delete photos that have been backed up. But on Photos, on the Photos app, there's no option like that. You can go into it. There's no option. And if you go into the app, you can't find an option like that. There is a setting for optimize something. So I decided to go onto some Apple forums to read about it. And there's a lot of, for me, I didn't think it was any useful information. Over here, there's one person who mentioned that they wanted to, again, delete photos off of their iPhone because it's supposedly already backed up to iCloud. But this person said that it's just a syncing service. So whatever you do, it's going to sync up. So if you end up deleting pictures, it'll delete pictures from your phone. It'll end up deleting the stuff from your iCloud. So after reading this, I saw some solutions online, and they basically said turn off iCloud photos and then back up to a different service. Like over here, this one says migrate to Google Drive. So it's disappointing that it doesn't have that setting because it just syncs photos. It's technically iCloud backup, but it only syncs stuff. So it doesn't back it up the way Google Photos does. So sadly, I would recommend Google Photos or Google Drive instead of iCloud, even though iCloud is native to the iPhone or Apple products, just because then you're forced to pay for this. Anyways, I just want to be able to delete some pictures and videos off the iPhone, but I can't since I'm using iCloud. So again, I'll put the thread on here, but it seems like people recommend instead using a different backup cloud service instead of iCloud if you want to be able to delete photos off of the iPhone.